Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check the DNS server using PowerShell in Windows 11 or Windows 10. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It converts website names like google.com into IP addresses so that your computer can connect to websites on the internet. Sometimes users change DNS servers to improve internet speed, security, or privacy. If you want to know which DNS server your computer is currently using, you can easily check it using Windows PowerShell. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and then type here PowerShell. In the PowerShell search results, click on the PowerShell to open it. Here you need to type this one command, Get-DnsClientServerAddress. After that, press enter on the keyboard. I will put this one command in this one video description also, so if you need you can copy it from there. After running the command, you will see a list of network adapters along with their DNS server addresses. Look under the server DNS addresses column. Here you will find the DNS servers that your computer is currently using. For example, if you see addresses like 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4, it means your system is using Google DNS. If you see 1.1.1.1 or 1.0.0.1, it means Cloudflare DNS is configured. If the DNS server is assigned automatically by your router, the DNS addresses will also appear here. That's it. This is how you can check the DNS server using PowerShell in Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.